How to remove group from community in WhatsApp. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily remove group from community in your WhatsApp app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open up your WhatsApp app. Then once you are in your WhatsApp, go to communities and then tap on the community from where you want to remove your group. Then tap on the name here in the top and then tap on here community where it is showing groups, and then tap on the group which you want to remove from the community. Then tap on the name here in the top of that group, and now you scroll down and here you will see remove from community. So tap on it, then again tap on remove, and this group is removed from community. So this is how you can remove group from community in WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.